Sometimes in your smartphone, you may be using your SIM's mobile data. If you want to use Wi-Fi, you can do that. If you are using Wi-Fi, you can use mobile data from that device. Your mobile SIM data will not be lost. In this video, we'll be telling about how to connect to Wi-Fi in Apple iPhone. For this, first what we need to do is open settings. After opening settings, here you can see Wi-Fi option. Click on Wi-Fi. When you are clicking on that, your phone will scan for every Wi-Fi in range. Now here you can see every Wi-Fi available. If you want to join any Wi-Fi, what you need to do is click on that Wi-Fi. If you don't know that Wi-Fi device name, what you need to do is in the iPhone in which Wi-Fi is turned on, open settings, and in settings you can see personal hotspot. In personal hotspot, here you can see that phone's Wi-Fi username. You should connect to that Wi-Fi. In Android phones, search for hotspot and you can see that name. If you are using modem, the person who is knowing that password will know their username. Anyways, click on the network which you want to connect. For example, I am clicking on this network. When you are clicking, you will reach a page like this. Here you can see password. You need to enter that password. I am entering the password, and after entering password, above you can see join button. Click on join. When you are clicking on that, you will be connected to that Wi-Fi. When you are connected to that Wi-Fi, above you can see that Wi-Fi sign. Here before it was 5G, now here you can see Wi-Fi sign. So this way you can easily connect to Wi-Fi in Apple iPhone. Hope this video was helpful for you. If you find it helpful, consider subscribing. See you in the next video.